Then guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type ThinkPad P15s. Okay, so go to this first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab. Okay, so guys, if you don't know about your if it is showing different laptop, so no worry about it, just enter the serial number of your laptop and then click to searches. Okay, then guys, Bluetooth. So this is version, click to download, it's automatically work, click setup, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next, install, next, install. Now you can see the Bluetooth driver installed successfully, then click to finish. Then restart your system.